Good afternoon. I'm at the entrance of 13831 North 42nd Place. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,280 square foot home. Just wanted to give you the bearings. Here is the home. And then immediately, you kind of see in this community there's multiple sidewalks with green belts that kind of meander through the community. Community pool right next door with a green belt that leads to another little doggy park that's exclusive to this community. This particular home site is right at the end of the cul-de-sac. On both sides of the street are designated additional parking, so that way if you were entertaining, you'd have somewhere for your guests to park. Uh, all the way to the end of the street is a dead straight shot to Thunderbird, and it's 5 minutes to the 51, 6 minutes to Kierland. Okay, so we're just going to head on into the entrance. There's an attached 2-car garage. All of the exterior maintenance is handled by the HOA. This does include the paint and roof maintenance. So as you enter, there's a little squeeze, and then the unit opens up to more of a great room plan. So here's your entrance. This is just a little coat closet. Okay. To the right is your first master bedroom, and then your full bath and laundry area with, again, more storage. Or excuse me, not storage. This is your air handler. So this bathroom would also serve your guests as well. Okay. Here's a first little master. This leads off to the first of the 2 private yards. I'm going to go ahead and just give you a little peek of that private yard while we are in here. There's a gate that leads you out to the exterior, little walking paths. If you go out this way, it takes you right to the pool. You just kind of have to go around. But the existing owners now, since they acquired this property, had the property professionally landscaped with drip lines, pavers, lighting. You just have to move in. Everything's ready to go. If you do have an interest in any of the furniture, that is definitely an option. We can take care of that on separate bill of sale. Okay, so here's our great room. I'm going to start with the kitchen. So this, again, we're still kind of in that squeeze that takes you out into the great room. Just going to do a turn around. Here is the kitchen. So this way takes us to the restroom. This way takes us to the entrance. And this is your view out front where I walked in. Nice deep sink. So you'll notice on this floor plan, there's not a lot of wasted space. That's why even at the square footage of 1,280, it feels much larger in person because there's not a lot of wasted space. Here is your second private yard or patio. I'm just going to make one quick spin, and then I'll show you that patio, and we can head upstairs. Now, one thing I did miss, when we go into the kitchen area, there is a garage space in there for your 2-car garage, extra deep. Another thing, just to point out, and I just forgot that bullet point. I'll come back to it. Here's the private yard that I took you through. So right to the right is the first bedroom that we walked. Exterior exit to the outside walkways. You can have a wood fireplace if desired. This area is currently being utilized as an office. The existing owner works in the corporate world. She does all of her work from that upper office space. And I'm just going to show that to you. I'll show that to you in just a minute. So here is that other, there's a little doggy door if you do have pets. This is the second yard area. Again, the owner, the existing owner that had put the time and the funds into having the landscaping professionally finished with pavers, lighting, and drip lines. And that is a producing lime tree. This will take you right out to the sidewalk, which will take you right to the pool. Or you can go out the front door. This takes you to your 2-car garage. And just to get our bearings, going back into the kitchen, this is your view towards the great room. Okay. And then here is the 2-car garage that also exits out to that second of the 2 yards. Second yard's over there. Okay, and now we are going to go up. What's awesome about this community, I want to say there's 40 or 55 home sites, so it's very cozy, and it was definitely built ahead of its time with the architecture. Again, you've got the lights or the additional windows for this nice open lighting. Again, this is the loft area that the owner is currently using for their private office. Okay, and then this would be your master retreat. Again, if furnishings are something that you're interested in, that's definitely negotiable. We can take care of that on separate bill of sale. Master bath has been renovated. So you've got the stone countertops, subway tile, and the closets were handled by the Container Store. So that is also fully organized. Just for sake of privacy, I don't want to open this, but this also is a jewelry drawer. Our existing client is a bit of she likes her clothes, so it's definitely been approved and designed for her. So if you like your clothes, you will like that closet. Here is the walk-in shower. And that is it. I'm just going to complete your spin up at the top here to so you kind of get one more view. And thank you so much for watching.